Most steel frame assemblers prefer assembly tables with a solid L backing frame secured to the ground. Trestles are placed inside the L to support the major steel framing components being produced. The trestles can be moved around to suit the size and shape of the panels being constructed. The framing is fixed together using specialist FRAMECAD screws in a strip-fed screw gun. The table should be positioned in a way that allows assemblers to move freely around the assembly area without obstruction. It is vitally important that FrameMaster operators keep an accurate record of every wall that is manufactured to ensure that house slots are fully complete before they're dispatched. Oversized walls that may be too large to be transported as one unit should be made in multiple sections, or the components bundled together to be assembled on site.